are starting to turn the corner, and I know it's rare that we are able to say that Missouri is leading in a positive direction, but actually we had one of the, I think we may have been #1, but we're leading in actually reduction in our prison population within the last couple of years. And that's the result of a reentry program that Chief Justice Wolf worked in partnership with the Department of Corrections to get instituted, so that individuals who are coming out with parole or those who are on probation, but particularly those on parole, would be able to get support, significant support, so there would not be recidivism. And that's one of the biggest issues, is that people come out and they go back in because there isn't the support there. Where we have a problem is that we have a situation where we have individuals who come out and have served their time and they're not on parole, and we have no program for them other than a pilot program in the city of St. Louis. And I worked really hard in the budget committee with the city to get this pilot program, and they're having dramatic results, that the same sort of support that we have in the other reentry program for those on parole is working, and that we are able to help people not reoffend. And so I think that we have to keep on that, in that direction, because we know that those programs are working. And so that would be the very first step, is to keep the funding for those programs that we absolutely know are working. In the budget committee, we heard significant testimony throughout the 6 years that I dealt on the Appropriations Committee for Health, Mental Health, and Social Services about the fact that for many people, they don't actually get treatment for either their addiction or other mental illness till they're within the justice system. And there's something really wrong with that. So again, I have pushed in the budget committee. In fact, I just went this week to the group meeting for what's called CIT. It's an intensive training program for law enforcement to help them to head off incidents with individuals with mental illness. And I want to be sure that we are using our resources effectively. It's not just the humane thing to do to get treatment for mental illness, or to be sure police officers are trained to get someone diverted to a mental health treatment program rather than putting them in the justice system, and to get treatment for addiction before people are in the justice system. It will save us money, and it is the right thing to do.